Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can take screenshot without buttons on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. To do so, we can, for instance, enable the gesture that allows you to take the screenshot. So let's open the settings, then scroll down and go to advanced features. Then over here, go to motions and gestures, and here you have the option that is called palm swipe to capture. So if you want to use gesture in order to take screenshots, then press this slider on the right side. And then in order to take the screenshot, you want to swipe your palm. So let's do it like this. One more time, because I think I scrolled by accident. And there we go. We have taken the screenshot. There is also one more way to take screenshots without any gesture or by pressing any button on the side of the phone. So let's open the quick access like so. And then press this pen button and edit the full quick access. Now over here in available buttons, you should be able to find take screenshot. You want to tap it in order to add it to the list of the quick access. Once it is there, you want to press done. And if you go back and open the quick access one more time, then you should be able to have this button that allows you to take screenshot without using any combination of keys or any gestures. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.